I wasn't able to post a video last week, but I have been busy. I worked on another box in my storage area. This one is for my hiking gear. Put my backpack in there, my tent and some other stuff. So that's what you'll see. And the other thing is, and I also started another project. Put my cap on. And that's something I've discussed before. That is something a little bit more adventurous, because I really don't know how that will work out. It started quite a while ago, a couple of years ago probably, where in the planning phase I saw that I needed a seat at the desk, so I will be able to work on the desk. And I found I think a really nice design, as you can see here, of a chair, which I would be able to make. And one of the nice features was that it had a fabric seat that I could use, could apply a very bright color on. I will have a Mondrian painting here on the bed side visible, which is basically made out of the primary colors, and the accent seat of this chair would be very nice complement to the interior, which is mainly white, so I need some colors in there. And however, well, that was I think a beautiful design, for at least for me. More recently I found out that my storage is limited. That's why I'm working on these storage boxes too. And I thought of the need of some more storage. So I was thinking of a design like this, where I could use a sort of piano seat and use that as an extra storage area underneath. More recently, and it was more inspired by one of you guys in the comments on YouTube, I found something else that made me rethink the whole thing. And I found a workbench, and since I'm really into woodworking, and I've been struggling because in this van I wouldn't have been able to do much woodworking. In the beginning I still thought of bringing a scrollsaw and do some small woodworking, but that's not really feasible, mainly because of the storage, the lack of storage. So when I saw this workbench, I had an idea that I might be able to transform that into a seat, similar to that piano type seat thing. And that's what I started now with, and that's what you're gonna see now. Let's start with a new box. One more piece has to be divided in two. I have to make two feet pieces, so If you want to save a little bit on wood, I will glue these pieces together. Let's start with this one. One. I made all the parts of another storage box, this time a little bit larger. It'll be mostly for my hiking and backpacking stuff. Put three, they're not together yet, but three plywood panels together, and some hardwood panels that go on the side. Made them a little bit nicer this time with all kinds of dados that fit into each other. A little bit more solid too, has a little bit more grip for the glue. So let's put it together. Let's put it together. Let's put it together. Okay. Well, the other ones have to wait. I'll first let this dry. Oh, half an hour or so, depends on. Then I'll do the remaining side panels. Put this box together, some plywood and some hardwood. The next step is to make it look nice, sand all the edges, and then I'll do a fitting in the car. Let's see what I can do. You can see it fills up this entire space up to the doors. There is still a space behind here, and that's why I cannot make the right height yet, because I have to put a box behind here for a come-along power puller, and I'm not entirely sure how high that will be, so I'll have to wait a little while for that before I can cut this off to its final height. Looks good. Now I'm at the stage that both sides are flattened, so now I have to go on planing until I got the right thickness. In this case I started with 1 1/8 or so rough wood, and right now I have a tiny little more than 15/16. A good size would be 3/4, that's the standard size. These are the legs for the bench, so they have to be as heavy as possible. I could go to 7/8, but I think I'll plane it off just a tiny little bit, probably a 64th or so, up to 15/16 width on all the planks. So let's do that. So the only thing that's left is cut it off at the right width, and that's what I'm doing now. Now I'm taking my plans again, and that shows that I need a 5-inch width for these. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.